Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram time. To know how to fix Instagram time, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go down to find these apps here. Default apps, app settings, you will click. Then in this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here, like this. And then in this page you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, as you will see here. Sorry for that mistake. You will click here clear cache and then clear data, and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.